Hi everyone, so today we're making savoury pancakes. We're making chicken and sausage pancakes. Savoury simply means something that's salty and spicy rather than sweet. So today I will be giving you my recipe on how I make my chicken and sausage pancakes. So we're going to need plain flour, we're going to need baking powder, we'll need 1 egg, we'll need cooked sausages and chicken. We're also going to need, I've used coconut milk, you can use whatever milk you want to use, and I've used mixed bell peppers as well. We're going to need a bowl and a whisk. Now to a bowl we're going to add 1/4 cup of plain flour and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 cup of coconut milk and 1 egg. Now you can put some butter in here if you like, and you can mix the milk and the egg with the butter and then pour it in the plain flour. I'm going in again with about 6 tablespoons of coconut milk because we don't want the mixture too thick, and we want to mix it so that all of the lumps go away. And that's what we're looking for really, to be a bit runny. Then I just added in about a teaspoon of brown sugar, and then I'm going in with my chopped chicken and my sausages. Now I've used a leftover chicken which I had, chicken suya, and I've also just added now bell peppers, mixed bell peppers. You don't have to put all of this, it's just, you know, whatever you want. I'm sure I would like it with fish. I haven't tried it, but I'm sure I'd like it with fish. Moving on, in a pan we've literally just put in some butter, and then we're going to pour in the batter really, and then, you know, just flip it as we go. Now we've cooked it till we see the bubbles. If you see there's like little holes in it, then we know that it's time to flip it. And you want to do it gently obviously, because you know the part you're flipping hasn't cooked, so when you kind of flip it you want to make sure that you're careful. And then that's what we do really till we've fried all the batter, and that's it. The pancake is ready. When you do, you check, you see there's bubbles in there, then you flip for, you know, the bottom part to cook, and then it's ready. Now I've got honey here, I've also got shitter. By the way, I've got a shitter video, I'm going to put it in the link, but I'm going with honey today, so I'm just going to drizzle that all over the pancake and get it really ready and nice to be eaten, as so. So we're going to cut it into that pancake and taste it. So yeah, hold on. Let me do that again just in case you didn't see it. Again. Oh, and then we'll go for a drink. We're just doing some nice orange juice, some chilled orange juice. And yeah, that's it. It's really easy, really simple. You just drink it as you want. And if you're not following me, please subscribe. Thank you.